Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export in 2K in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, you will be needing to start your project or to simply continue working on your existing projects. In my case, I'm just going to click on the latest project, and here I have these three media that are showing in this project timeline or this project editing menu. And from here, we will be able to start exporting our project. By clicking on export, you will be able to see the exporting process, and then you will be able to start sharing it into your social media, exactly Instagram and Facebook, and automatically the video will be saved into the camera roll. And as you can see, the videos made with edits are optimized for high quality playback on Instagram. That means it will export your videos into the highest quality of your footage. That means it's not a problem of edits, so there is no exact setting to export onto edits, but you will be needing to have your camera roll that will be recording on 2K, or you can simply start having footage of 2K. That means in your projects, make sure that you are working with 2K footage, and that would allow you to start exporting with 2K. And if you are using footage from your camera roll, you will be needing to change the settings of your camera roll from your mobile settings, and then just search for apps and notification, and then search for your camera roll and change the quality of your camera to be a 2K. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.